there, beautiful! This is the Caribbeantan Cinnamon and Coconut Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. The cinnamon and jojoba oil exfoliator is used to remove dead skin cells from your body. This ensures a soft, smooth and hydrated skin to give you an even softer. Did you know that your skin has a natural 28-day exfoliating cycle? If you do not exfoliate your skin before your self-tan, your tan may fade quicker than usual due to your skin cells nearing the end of the 28-day cycle. Your body naturally exfoliates more in areas that get friction and less in areas that do not. This can cause your tan to fade quicker or look patchy. We recommend exfoliating once a week with the all-natural Caribbeantan exfoliator. The natural sugars are excellent for scrubbing away dead skin, and the cinnamon brings blood and nutrients to the skin surface, which is rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon has been used as an anti-inflammatory and anti-aging ingredient in skincare for years. The coconut oil penetrates and nourishes the skin with rich fatty acids that will leave your skin supple and smooth. Jojoba oil, which is rich in beauty-boosting vitamin E and B, fatty acids, and anti-inflammatory properties for intense hydration. Rosemary leaf prevents skin aging. Lastly, the reduced waist pouch is easy to seal and perfect to keep in your shower. Enjoy your softer, smoother, and hydrated skin. I hope you enjoy your Caribbeantan Cinnamon and Coconut Skin Smoothing Exfoliator.